Yo guys, Two Bros Garage back at it again. Check it out. We have a 1998 Suzuki GSXR 600 Srad that we're gonna be doing a rebuild project on from our buddy. Basically, he bought the bike for cheap. He's gonna put a couple parts on it. He's gonna put a new fairing kit on it, and we're gonna get it out on the road. Try to get it road worthy. So here it is. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. Alrighty guys, here's the gem. 1998 Suzuki GSXR. In pretty rough shape. It's missing the air ducts here, which I think he's gonna get for me. Here's the clutch cable that is broken. I'm actually gonna replace that here shortly. I'm also gonna do the rectifier, and we're gonna do the stator on it. The gold parts here, we're gonna paint black most likely. He's got a new fairing kit coming for it. It's gonna be white and red with a gloss. Tires are good, so we're gonna keep the tires the same. We're gonna do an oil change. We're gonna try to replace every part that's missing to get it roadworthy and safe, of course. So yeah guys, hey, enjoy this rebuild project. Alrighty guys, first thing we're gonna do, he asked me to replace the clutch cable, so I'm gonna do that. I gotta remove this fairing. Get a little closer over here. Come here, I'll show you something. I gotta take the sprocket cover off because the cable goes in there, so I gotta remove the fairing. I gotta remove the coolant reservoir, and then I'll be able to work on this and replace the cable. So wish me luck. Alrighty, so I got a 10 mil socket here. I'm gonna remove this bolt to be able to get the reservoir out, and then I have a number 5 Allen socket. So I'm gonna take the bolts out of the cover there for the front sprocket. I gotta move the shift lever here, the lever to be able to get the cover out also. So I'm gonna remove those right now. Also got my brother into buying a bike. Hopefully we can find him something decent here soon. Here goes the cover. I'm checking out the front sprocket. Looks pretty healthy. Teeth look okay. They're not rounded off yet. Here's the clutch cable that broke off for him. So I'm gonna take this off and replace it with the new one. Fairly easy, but have to be careful. Take it out of here. When you go to remove this, all you gotta do is you gotta hold the bottom nut here with one of the wrenches, 12 mil, and then the top one with the 10 mil, and just loosen it. That way. There we go. I got the bottom one loose, and I'm gonna go in with it first to be able to get that space in there, so I can get the cable, push the cable down like this, and then I'm gonna get the pliers and pull it off. I think I might have seen it. So I'm having trouble here. I'm gonna try to open this up a little bit. There it is. Got her out. So I just bent it a little bit, and then I'm gonna bend it back with the vice grips. So I got that out. We'll go for the new one now. Here's the new one. I'm gonna go in with it. See enough leverage there. There it is. And I have to make sure it clamps up. The vice grips, which I bent it out a little bit. I'm gonna fix that right back where it's supposed to go. There she goes. Looking good. Just gonna make sure it's good and straight there. There it is. I'm gonna swing this part over. And like my brother was asking about how do I know that it's gonna be set right. What I'm gonna do is once I put it on the top, I will adjust it until I feel like it's just about right, you know? And go about it that way. Get the clutch cable into the front sprocket cover, you're gonna run it right in between the block and the frame. As you can see, like the gas cable here, the gas cable goes right in the factory setup. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same where it was at. I'm gonna put it there, but as you can see here, there's a bracket that holds the cables down. It's gonna go. I want it to go in there, in between there, so it's held on right. So when you bring the tank down, the tank's not getting messed up. The setup's not getting messed up. So I'm gonna remove the bracket here, and then I'm gonna put it to the lever, to the shift lever here, to the clutch lever. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to pull and put it over the adjustment screw here, and then once it's on, I'm going to unscrew it out and adjust it at the top and at the bottom on the screw down here and nut. Okay. There it goes. So it's in now. Obviously that is too loose, so you have to screw this part out to tighten it. You got to take it to where it just gets tight enough, and then you also have to adjust at the bottom so you get that clutch play how you want it. Adjust the cable also if you need it. I'm going to go a little bit more. You don't want to go all the way out, but you want to go out just enough. That's about good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust that at the bottom so it's not so tight right there. Like this, and then what you want to do is you want to play with it. You want to feel it as you're doing it. And there we go. Now it's feeling like a clutch. There it goes. I like that. That's better. Yeah. A little more. There we go. That's nice. There you have it.
Is it good there?
Yeah. There it is.
So
he-
the last test is what, when you turn it on,
when you
right?
turn it on, yeah, when you pull, boom, 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 turn it on, and then obviously you could actually run it and see where the clutch comes out, and that's gonna be like more on his part. That's gonna be where he wants it at because he's gonna be riding it all the time. I'm just fixing the part for him, and then he could adjust it to his liking. So we got that done. That was what we wanted to do today. Next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the stator and the rectifier.
So what? The starter?
The stator, which is what charges the battery, kind of like the alternator,
Okay.
and the rectifier, which I don't know where it's at on this one, but I'll find out and replace it. So thank you guys for watching. Check you out next time.